Can you tell what we're going to be talking about today? It's light source, if that's what you guessed. So in this case, I've got an egg on my drawing board, and I'm using the natural light source that's coming out of my window from behind me, which is this side. And of course, it's always brightest where the light source is from, and the shading behind the object and on the opposite side of the object is always opposite where the light source is from. So eggs and round surfaces like this are kind of fun practicing points to learn to draw, to learn to understand shading and light source. Just going to show you a few more kind of neat things. You can have some fun. You can have more than one light source. It's kind of cool stuff you see when you're going to a concert. Lots of light sources. You see how that shading works. So today's exercise, we're going to have some fun with light source and shading. If I change my light source in a bigger way, I've got a bunch of lights around me. Changes the way I look a little bit, but changes the egg quite a bit and where the shading is, because the light source that I have right here is very bright and very close. And it's kind of outshining, but not completely making the light source from outside irrelevant. And I've got another one. Excuse me, I'm going to stand up. Also changes it. Look at all those shadows. Got these kind of two neat ones, you know. The brightness of the egg used to be over here. Kind of interesting, huh? That's kind of how light source works, and there can be more than one. As a beginner artist, focus on the one. Maybe try and focus on the one light source that is in the room or the one light source that is in the sky, and then develop your ability to add shading using something we call value as you draw. And we're going to draw some objects using 2-point perspective next.